So this is a fairly common type of question on the ACT and comes up in different forms. And let's say that the original average was M. And so we have 30 students. So this average would be the sum of scores of all of these 30 students. And I'm going to call X30 as the score of Mandy. And then divide this by 30. So the sum of these scores of all 30 students is 30 times M. Now we're told that Mandy found that her test should have been scored 5 points higher, which means the real average, or the corrected average, would be X1 plus X2, meaning all 29 students, their score is the same. Mandy's is 5 more than earlier. And then you again divide this by 30. So that's the average, the corrected average. And you'll note that this piece here is 30 times the original average. So that's 30M plus 5 over 30. If I divide each term by 30, it's M plus 5 over 30. Here, M is referring to the original average. And the question was, the corrected average, how does it relate to the original average? Well, it's going to be higher by 1/6. So the answer is G. Now, some of the students could have done it without doing any of this work. And I completely agree with that because your actual average, or the contribution to the sum, would have been 5. And then you're dividing that by 30. That's how much the new average would increase by. So you can certainly argue that way, but this framework I showed so that it's very clear to you why that is the case. So to summarize, the answer is G.